Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious scrambled eggs toast. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need fresh eggs, your preferred bread, a splash of milk or cream, some butter, and your favorite seasonings. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, a whisk, and a spatula ready. This simple meal is perfect for any time of day and comes together in just a few easy steps. Now, let's make those perfectly creamy scrambled eggs. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them with about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream until just combined. Next, melt 1 teaspoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in your egg mixture, letting it sit for a few seconds before gently pushing the cooked edges towards the center with your spatula. Continue this until the eggs are soft and fluffy. While your eggs are cooking, let's get the toast ready. Pop 2 slices of your chosen bread into a toaster or use a pan or broiler until they reach your desired golden crispness. Some like it lightly toasted, others prefer a deeper crunch. Once toasted, lightly butter each slice while it's still warm. This adds a wonderful richness and helps prevent the toast from getting soggy. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious creation. Carefully spoon the warm, fluffy scrambled eggs onto your perfectly golden and buttered toast. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chives, a dash of black pepper, or even a little shredded cheese. Serve your scrambled eggs toast immediately and enjoy this comforting and satisfying meal you've just made. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.